For what purpose does the gentlewoman from Massachusetts seek recognition?
Request permission to address the House for 1 minute.
Without objection.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today as a member of the Sustainable Energy and Environment Coalition to talk about a critical issue for Massachusetts and our nation, the wind production tax credit. Providing a modest credit of 2.2 cents per kilowatt hour generated, it has encouraged over $75 billion in private investment over the last 5 years. Now, 60% of the average turbine is manufactured here in the United States. These companies hire a diversity of workers and provide good-paying jobs in a rapidly growing sector of our economy. Bay Stater Nigel Green worked for GE Wind as a wind farm parts runner. He says, quote, "I can tell you honestly that nothing gave me more pride in my country than seeing a turbine go from in-repair status back to online and producing clean, renewable power. It is truly a sight to behold," unquote. Last year alone, clean energy jobs in Massachusetts grew 11%. If it is allowed to expire, we will lose an important new manufacturing opportunity and too many good-paying American jobs. Thank you, and I yield back.